guys, this is Angie coming to you again from the hotel room. Still stuck in the hotel room waiting on a trainer. So I've found out that from my roommate, that you can use these Renuzit air fresheners a different way. Because the old-fashioned way is to follow directions and raise it up, which they last about a week before they dry out. And they dry out so fast. So there's another way to use it, which is probably a long time video on YouTube, but for the people who watch my channel probably haven't seen those videos. So here it goes. You get a sharp object, which I'm going to use my little mini knife. And can you see the top here? See? That is how you use a Renuzit. And one thing about being in a hotel, and a lot of times we walk in the room, the air conditioner may be on, it may not be on. They are full of carpet and they're stuffy. Hotel rooms are very stuffy. So you have to leave your air on, and I don't like to be cold. And a lot of times you can open your windows, but you're on the first floor. If the windows aren't sealed properly, I hate spiders. So I don't like spiders climbing in my room. So a lot of times I don't like opening up the windows when we're not in the room and watching the window. Of course, I got spray for that because I hate spiders. But I'm going to show you how to open this up and use a Renuzit that make it last longer. So you take this, you put the sharp object right here. Oops, but you don't cut your finger off. I almost just did. Turn the knife the other way. So, and you put it here. Pop it up. Look at that. Did you see that? You don't cut your finger off. I didn't cut myself, guys. See? No cuts. Okay. Make sure you look at it when you do it. Don't do like I just did. And you can take this and actually pull it out. Pull, pull, pull. Don't pull it all the way out. And look at that. Oh, it smells so good. What flavor was this? Which one was this? Renuzit, I think it was Tropical Breeze or something like that. It smells so good. Yes, it does. So now this would last longer. It won't dry out as fast, but just try it. And I think it's a little bit cuter like this too. I like this. Okay, guys. Okay, enough of that Renuzit video and the tales of being in a hotel room for weeks at a time. I'm hoping that I'll get a trainer within this week or next week. But this week, from here for another whole week, I am going to start on my book. It's, in light of everything that's happening in the world today, it's just about those people, the people who perpetuate just being evil to other people, and for no reason whatsoever. But a lot of people have this hate on the inside of them, and they just bring it out when they all should just be out there finding a great fragrance to smell, like a flower or a Renuzit. That's the best thing I think they should be doing, instead of out here killing people, taking lives. Just find something great to do, because there's so many great things to do. And another thing, Hollywood, I am so tired of you making movies and documentaries of killers. I don't want to see any more things about Ted Bundy. There was nothing great about him, nothing great about Casey, nothing great about serial killers, nothing. Stop making movies about serial killers. It's not Hollywood's fault, but it's the media's fault. And you know what? Stop putting people over and over again, showing how people hate. Because we have a man in charge that hates. And people don't realize that, oh, it's not him, it's the guns. It's not the guns, it's the people who carry the guns. No, but it's the people who put the hate in their mind to make them do the killing. You have to realize that they are at fault. If someone's weak-minded and evil, and they're up there agreeing with someone when someone says, shoot them all, and they smile, that person takes that, especially if they're feeble-minded and ignorant, they take that as, oh, he wants us to shoot him, let's go shoot him. You know what I mean? And just like the attack now, I am not attacking Hollywood. All I'm asking is, but they are taking responsibility at least. They're not releasing this movie called Hunt. So Hollywood is taking their responsibility. What about the media? The media takes no responsibility on the hate, and Fox News takes no responsibility on their hate that they put out. Like, they want to preserve the enemy. They teach these kids that if you kill people, you will be reverend. You will be looked at. You will be taken out to eat. You will get to go to Burger King. You will get to go out to eat. We will treat you with kid gloves. But if you're black and you're selling cigarettes, oh, you committed a crime. You're light out. We're going to kill you. If you look at me the wrong way, I'm going to kill you. If you talk back to me, Negro, we're going to kill you. So, and now it has flipped around because the Hispanic population really just never deeply supported us because, of course, the other people always gave them all the jobs. And now they have switched that around. I guess we wore out. So they have switched that around to turn the hate toward another group of people. And now they're telling you that we all need to stick together and get rid of this hate. All of us just need to get rid of it and buy Renuzit and smell the good. Or just plant flowers. Bye-bye. Okay.